In a teeny jungle, Benny the elephant had a big problem. His sneezes were like earthquake. One day, while playing hide and seek, he sneezed so hard that all his friends, monkey, parrot, and turtle, went flying into a tree. Monkey shouted,
Benny! Your sneeze is a superpower!
From that day, whenever they needed to reach high fruits, when he just sneezed, boom, and the fruits sour began.